Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today program is filled with two major stories affecting the nation. First, the appeal court in Juba has overturned the death sentence of Bobby Longar, the man who was convicted of killing his own wife and another man in 2022. The case has now taken a new direction. Second, breaking news from Pieri in Ayod County. Civilians were attacked this morning by an SSPDF helicopter. Mothers and children ran into the forest for safety. Also in political news, the governor of Jonglei State has announced a new administrative sub-county in Ayod North. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start this report with appeal court overturned Bobby Longar death sentence. This story in June 2022 inside Bedouin restaurant in Juba. According to court document, National Security Officer Bobby Longar, a cook, shot and killed his wife, Rebecca Ayod, and a man he believed was having an affair with her. A friend who tried to calm the situation was also injured that night. After the incident, Bobby was taken to court and charged under Section 206, which is the law for murder in South Sudan. In December 2022, the High Court sentenced him to death by hanging, but the case did not end there. Bobby lawyer, Kirdit, and co-advocate and Judge Angiering, a partner, were not satisfied with the ruling. They filed an appeal arguing that the High Court made mistake in law and fact. Bobby acted under cumulative provocation, meaning emotional and mental pressure built up over time. He acted in self-defense after finding his wife in compromising situation. The court misinterpreted this part of Section 206. The judge ignored Dinka customary law in deciding who should take care of the couple's children. His defense said all these issues were not properly considered. 1 year later, in December 2023, the High Court made a new recommendation. Even though they confirmed the convictions, the judge suggested that the government consider lowering the sentence from death penalty to life imprisonment. This was an important movement. It showed that even the trial court had doubt about the fairness of the original punishment. On November 4, 2025, the appeal court delivered its final ruling. The three judges, Justice Samia Salah Abdullah, Justice Aban Atong Anwar, Justice John Yela Liu, review all the argument from the defense team. Their decision shocked many people. The appeal court cancelled the death sentence, cancelled the murder conviction under Section 206, replaced it with Section 210, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Section 210 is a much lighter offense, and it does not carry the death penalty. Why did they overturn it? The appeal court say the High Court did not evaluate the issue of provocation properly. Emotional distress and the heat of the movement were ignored. Customary family law were not considered. Mitigating factors were not given proper weight. To put it simply, the High Court rushed the decision without understanding all the emotional, cultural, and legal factors. So what happened now? The appeal court did not give Bobby his freedom. Instead, they returned the case to the High Court and ordered a fresh sentence under Section 210. This means Bobby will be sentenced again. The sentence will be lower than death. He may get life imprisonment or a shorter term. The judge must consider provocation, cultural issues, and all mitigating factors. This is a huge turn in a case that has been watched closely across South Sudan. Behind the legal language, there are families hurting on both sides. Rebecca Ayod family lost a daughter. 2 children lost their mother. The other man who died as relative is still mourning. Bobby family is fighting to protect him. The children guardianship is being debated. A community is divided between justice and mercy. This story is not just about law, it is about pain, betrayal, culture, family, and the difficulty of judging human behavior during emotional explosion. Let's move on to our second topic story. Please save the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. SSPDF helicopter attack in Pieri this morning. According to the report, early this morning around sunrise, residents of Pieri in Uror County woke up to fear and chaos. According to eyewitness, an SSPDF helicopter flew over the civilian area without warning and dropped explosive. Mother grabbed their children and ran into the forest. Young boys and girls scattered in every direction trying to escape the sound of bomb. So far, no casualties reported, but the situation is tense. Families are still in hiding in the forest. The attack has caused panic and displacement. Sources say civilians were not expecting any military activity. People who witnessed the attack describe fear. Children screaming, mother crying while running. Home abandoned, people starving because they cannot cook or return home. Livestock lay behind, some families are still missing. The forest is thick and people are hiding separately. Why did this happen? There's no official explanation yet. Tension between the government force and local communities or with the opposition party. Military operation near civilian areas, miscommunication between state and national authorities. This attack raised serious questions about the protection of civilians in conflict zone. Changfied News will continue following this story. Another malakan yam biakamal guasame ka Changfied YouTube channel. Bana right ka wantin kono lat Caribbean wename. Kenya makan kono ni ami jiram jidid goro no jin bi subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko de lerti de kan shamala shupkeji guasa dana pai kalarech. Bana jome bana jeling lera ban lingwas me bana right ka kwi wood kemichi check de janak kane wood mi chega jekel yakan dangraw chega nakka charam kel melame da badio je chamoy kabot. Kajan le report sha lat wa karon kin dangraw jandang rawi de rawone re wi kiju bana mo me chuda me ye we ko hotel che chegre che oje kan wudadian and when mo show maida kamra wajen alert dio je le national security re wi kiju ba shwe shek de mishal ka Rebecca Ayod shwe janak ka shwe wude chega je kel bo shwe nyog mnaga je ka shwe rardin to moy kabot wude mo shwale Bobby Longar akok waze dane cherek che latin shwala de nojen ba janak ya je senten to angi ngalo de ngap jen tay dane cha me cha lu de cha ngo ka je ka bongon ni misha gor rewich ka juba section 206 general mi mo mishra anak lora bang baje dil ngap ke baje nak no mo jen tay dane cha lu mo cha je lu ka je no ka jen ron kin dangro wi jen dangro wi de ro ka pai wero no jen tay dane cha lat ka je wa cha la do de high court de rame de jen nak ke de jangap ko jen che chek de nak ka che wuden chika je kel ke chika toy kel che janak bane wana mishwa gu je no de la chon ka luge dane cha me cha luge ka kor Rooney ko 2022 after 3 years the Georgia gwan wonene she would me a chalu nyoko makap ko genial Bobby lawyer take a lawyer ka wun mishale kirdit ken rada dien michal ke George Angir wa ken chi nyok ben yal nyok ken ken ga satisfy ka luge dane sha lugu mo ko shu mo che shek da nakka che wut da dien che nyok men naka ja aja ken na me chi chuong ki ken chu lo da so ka kuje mo gone no wude me ba lugu ba nyok men lat ke ja michalu nyok mi lo ka jamo wa chi ken nyok laden gwa no wude me cha ja de ngap cha ja de na ko gwa se dane na ga shek mo tin kana jen wude dane let ken shitting kel na wajen te rei cher ka midire ne long awa michiro de la rei loaje ko kor gwa me ber ko lo lan action ko ka gwa so mo kelio la shigla lam jegla le de be pel bi shigla mo jeg be la be pel men me shangwa chala do ne me mutual cumulative provocation kaje an wude shal kay bobi me jen rob dan ne shigde kane wudan che ko jekel so mi ci dor che togoni ko chagu je no ne me cha wude me cha je den nak chala ro okay mi che jen cha ibnak bat ba yene je ko pek tege de kelu ka ti jen ke ba je luk kurun so ne me chala do no cha court ke je cha nyok mi yot ke je jok ke December 2023 chala do cha court ci kan new recommendation kan nyok let kene kene ba wude me ba nyom ko je sentence don ba yen ga pek tege de ke ba je luñ no ka gwaden be jenta na chala no ko chagu je no cha chinagu ke dukti gol wude me take shemane wude shana ka wude me wate ke shemane ka jen ba take gad ken shega danen shi je shit ke shi to ke wude din so chagu je no gat rambe korom kene ka ngot jane michran nak dan la ya gwi ke baram ba je chol ba cha na kanara jenta dan ke ale kejem shi jingwana dang dok kake kala no cha wude me cha je benak jenta dan ji ken lat ke je bat ba yene je pek te kade kan bu woni am to gwene je gwano michran che shiraren che kan ngume de twok anyok wude me taye dan e ladne me je lode che je ka dan che gorno be shega be janaka be wude mo be janak bala lar ken wone ne michi ngaje no shek che mi je ke je lat ngume shi dang je no bi yede be jabat bada wa je ne je lode je me dan chire mi dal kana so jenta dan le rode ko shek muri en chenken dan ka bele jen le guardian wa shuda mo shi action che yo kan ko be wude mo be janaka be janak bo men shek de so ye to go no na karadian mi che mo ko bot jenta dan na shek de kene shoda so chagwa no bi ran be emotionally be janang ko mo dien wono de dang je dan to bi gor jen wo bi na ne me lerban lat gwa se me re ga dan chi to dor shal ke me Pieri ka chala do ka uror kanti ka taran chalat ke je dia waje wochi chala do chi renal SSPDF helicopter je bok run wang andoramo wajen che bok che na che ga joy dor ka je run wang ameni wa che goten content civilian tin ta ga tigatin ka dine tin wan tigatin wa che ken me bok so na me report mi chit ke me panache to ko ne che bok SSPDF helicopter gwada anti civilian tigatin chala do shine me chalari ka lung ano adoba dien mi ade kuma dare na dare ke buga jamo but chari po chala no gwege jeno bokene ji SPLIO but gwada kon bokan tin ga gwad se civilian tigatin ke video mi sha share gwad me de yeren ka gwato no na me video mine jena mo dio jeno de yen me de yen kaling no ka gwada dan che ke toktin so re ga me to ga re wutin binimi che ke mi shane no ni ano shi kormo ke chi helicopter che bok ka chene to kone la civilian she ke bok mo dun jes kalwa je long ka ta dan en chalat ke je gwase me bel ke kume SSPDF ke kume kirmi yadit ano shika na chicken the day bognetin contin la jiwet loraba especially mishal kame helicopter chagwa wan me naga na tin na nan na wal kan wura naga na ta me wana me chi tron kuer danen kav dor shal kame jongle state ke jen ojen dera ma dera jen gwad mo den oda na dera ke bok wan ngode telemilet kene wana kala radian governor shal ke guy cookman kav jongle state mi pay dore pay bugani tame wajen take new sub county teacher lep dor shal ka Yunus che sub county ni che lep ka Yunus sub county kan gwadin mishale magog town kan gwada tika gwati che lep ko bikala la new sub county la do dan cha ke je by the way wa gor je no bi local big local new local leadership de ten lo bene ko ba kwar yen ba ga kwan nyo wa ba tika more administrative office wa ba tika more government person gor kan bi kum ban latin wen mo ko tama che jodi gwano de kum kir mi yadi charge support but Again, go to become a dark intersection, Nekana, Korun Mishatak, Gwada and Gorkan, who can influence, who can let them, but you attack along begin to our Kajan, can't no more self can no more become Kachumal attack. Then do down like a tactic, a politic, a siasa, then down Latke no. Why they are changing community boundaries, but it's more than that. Latke no buy, but take a more service like a school can health center, more than that. One a many a tactic dung siasa kako ba na ba kadag ba community ba do goli ngai kona ka kor gwadan pai chani pai yam chaga chak kaduk ka bor ka twitch is kana kobo and some people who can support but some people chicken support can na me can this is a political fragmentation da kan na lo siasa cha goro dong bina bugurin markel ba yo je ka chen channel anwen so na me mediten so jome agenda na gora de nyaka konkel ka Changfied YouTube channel mi jira mi jidit please go no jin mi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mi tem ci bari gwas mi be chwa mala ci be kaji an biya ta gamal bye bye